Yes.
However, my Lord, we have an application before this honorable court.
Okay.
The said application, my Lord, is dated the 24th day of October, 2023.
Okay.
Parties have been served, my Lord.
Filed when?
My Lord, it was filed on the same 24th October, 2023.
Yes.
My Lord, party has been served.
Yes.
My Lord, we are ready to move the application with the confirmation of the court.
Okay.
Thank you, my Lord.
Mr. Adiku.
Yes, my Lord.
Are you opposing the application?
We are receiver of the said application, and my Lord, and we hold no opposition, we hold no objection.
Okay. Mr. Eston, you may move in town.
Yes, my Lord. My Lord, before your Lordship is application by way of motion or notice. Yes, my Lord, since the claimant respondent is not posing the application, my Lord, we move in terms of our motion papers, and we urge the court to grant the said application, my Lord. We are grateful, my Lord.
Okay.
Thank you, my Lord.
There being no objection, the defendant's housekeeping application is granted as briefed.
As court pleases.
Yes.
Yes, thank you very much, my Lord. My Lord, upon receipt of the plaintiff's application to bring in his address, we move quickly also to file our own written address. But then the registry refused to collect that. We have to come by way of motion. And we are at a loss because by the grant of this application of the defendant, our day starts running to file our application. But the registry refused to collect the application that we are out of time and we have to come by way of motion. That's our predicament. Our address is ready. Even this morning we went to the registry. They said no, that they have to hear from the court before you accept our process.
No, time will not run. Time will not begin to run until the defendant regularizes. The defendants have regularized their position, and that will be time will now begin to run for the claimant to fight.
As court pleases, my Lord. As court pleases, my Lord.
So we cannot make progress in effect.
As court pleases, my Lord. Our address is ready. So with this direction, my Lord, if we can be given 2 or 3 days, we'll go to the registry and then maybe my Lord will direct them to accept our process. Then we can now come before my Lord.
Do they have to wait until they are given directives to accept the process? The rules of court are clear. When after conclusion of the case, parties have concluded their respective cases. The party that ended, that has concluded last is supposed to file first. In most cases, the defendant. And until the defendant files, regularizes, time will not begin to run for the claimant to file.
Most grateful,
they accepted your process. If they have accepted the process, time will begin to run from now. So that if the defendant does not need to file any reply, we will just take the adoption and move on.
As court pleases, my Lord. My Lord, make us the registrar vehemently refuse our process.
When the case came up at the last adjourned date, there were no appearances from either side. I had to adjourn the case to today. To enable the parties and counsel be served with the hearing notice.
So in this direction now, my lord, Mekaswa vehemently refuse our process. We went there today, we went there even this morning again. He's insisting, no, we have to pay penalty. I said to her, I don't understand.
Which penalty are you paying? You are not in default.
I don't understand, my lord. Mekaswa vehemently refused my process. Vehemently, he refused my process. So if my Lord will graciously oblige us 2 or 3 days and then give directive to collect our process, we'll be ready for adoption, my Lord.
I cannot adjourn it for 2 to 3 days because even if you file, the defendant may need to file reply.
Very correct, my Lord. Very correct, my Lord.
The defendant are entitled to, I think, 2 weeks. The issue is we don't have time. We have too much engagement and the judgments to write. That is why I picked the case today.
Most grateful, my Lord. Most grateful, my Lord. Most grateful, my Lord.
Please switch off this air condition. Time begins to run for the claimants from today, which file final written addresses. There is therefore no need for payment of penalty. In the circumstance, this case is adjourned to 21st of November 2023 for adoption of final written address. The defendant may file reply, if any, upon receipt of the claimant's final written address between now and the 21st. And the learned counsel to the claimant is directed to proceed and file the final written address today, given that it is ready for filing.
Ascot, please.
Hello, we are
Most
grateful, my Lord.
Welcome.
We are grateful, my Lord. Thank you.
Most grateful, my Lord. 2-1, 51st.
Yes. Next case is NICN/YL/03/2023 between Honorable Saad MC Tahir and 1. Adamawa State Government, 2. Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, Adamawa State, 3. Accountant General, Adamawa State. Also for adoption of final written address.
Yes.
Yes.
With profound humility to the Honorable Court, my Lord Bashir S. Ahmad, sir. My humble appearance is for the claimant, my Lord. We apologize for his absence.
Apology accepted.
Thank you.
Yes. Any legal representation for the defendants? Any appearance for the defendants? Yes.
My lord, sir, the matter is coming up today for adoption of final addresses of parties.
Yes.
Wait, please, my lord.
Yes.
My name is J.A. Wire. J.A. Wire, my lord.
Yes.
For the defendant applicant, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Senior State Council 2. Senior State Council 2, Adamawa State Ministry of Justice.
Okay.
I announced my appearance for the defendant applicant.
Okay.
Yes, my lord. Most grateful, sir.
Yes.
May I please, my lord?
Yes.
I hope it's Clement Tavada.
Counsel, wait until your case is called. This
I'm
is
sorry, my lord. I'm sorry because I appear with Wyatt. That's why I thought it's our matter. I'm sorry, my lord.
Yes, my lord, sir. My lord,
yes, Mr. Ahmad.
Yes, my noble lord, the applicants, and sorry, my lord, the claimant filed, earlier filed his final written address on the 29th day of September 2023, and a reply on the 3rd day of October 2023. We applied to withdraw the two processes filed, my lords. And we urge the Honorable Court to strike them out, my lords. Our written address.
When did you file the reply?
My lord, it was filed on the 3rd day of October, my lord. October 3, 2023.
The reply.
Yes, my lord. Initially, we filed at the time when the defendant did not serve us the written address.
Yes.
So we applied to withdraw these processes. We have filed our own extant written address on the 23rd October. My lord. And we intend to rely on the one filed on that 23rd October. And to withdraw these two.
In reaction to the defendant's final written address?
Yes, my lord. My lord.
Mr. Wire.
Yes, my lord. My lord, we hold no objection to the application for withdrawal.
The claimant's final written address dated the 28th of September 2023, but filed on the 29th of September 2023, and the claimant's reply address on point of law, dated and filed on the 3rd of October 2023, are hereby struck out at the instance of the Land Council to the claimant.
My Lord, we are very grateful, my Lord. We are very grateful.
Yes, my Lord, on our own part, my Lord, on our own part, we equally have a pending application.
Okay.
It's a housekeeping application to file our reply on point of law out of time.
When did you file the application?
My Lord, it was filed yesterday. This morning, my Lord, this morning, 7th of November.
Was it served, Mr. Ahmed? Were you served?
My Lord, obviously we have not been served because it was filed this morning and there is no way they could have reached out to us. There is no way, my Lord.
Okay. So it means the application is not ripe for hearing.
As the court pleases, my Lord.
As court pleases.
It is not ripe for hearing.
Of course.
Is filed.
Yes. Maloba, I will undertake to
furnish it was filed this morning at Yola.
Yes, this morning.
I'm sitting here in Bauchi. I don't know where the Land Council to the claimant is connecting.
I'm calling from Yola.
I myself, I didn't see the application, so there is no way. I wonder why council choose to delay and be resorting to last-minute filing of processes. Why?
I'm
you
sorry,
were served since, for how long have you been served? You didn't deem it proper to file until when the case comes up for. Huh?
I apologize, my Lord. My Lord, I'm so sorry. My Lord, the fault is mine. So sorry, my Lord. I apologize, my Lord.
In this circumstance, I have no option but to adjourn this case. The case is accordingly adjourned to November 21st, 2023 for adoption of final written addresses.
As the court pleases. My Lord, so sorry, so sorry, my Lord. My Lord, we thank you for your indulgence.
My Lord, we are very grateful, so we appreciate
the last case. The last case is with suit number NICN/Y. L/10/2020 between Clement Telvada and 6 others versus 1 Adamawa State Government, 2 Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, Adamawa State, also for adoption of final written addresses.
My Lord, may I with humility seek the leave of the Honorable Court, my Lord.
Leave is granted. Yes, parties.
Thank you, my Lord. I'm very grateful.
Welcome. Parties. Parties.
Hello, my Lord.
Yes. Yes. Unmute your device. Unmute your device, Mr. Ezemwelu.
Before yes. My Lord, thanks. My Lord, I announce appearance for the claimant. C.O. Ezemwelu is my name.
Yes.
CO as well for the claimants.
Yes, it is taken.
Places.
Yes. Any appearance for the defendants? No legal representation for the defendant?
My lord, the defendants is represented by I.S. Baride.
Where is he? Where is Wire? Mr.
Wire should be able.
Can't you appear for the Ministry of Justice? You are in this proceeding.
Yes, my lord. My lord, but they is in Abuja and is having difficulty in connecting. Yes.
So you announce appearance for him. We cannot be adjourning cases for frivolous excuses like this. We cannot be doing that. All the processes are in the case file. I cannot adjourn this case simply because the counsel is not in court. Mr. Wire. Okay. Mr. Ezewolu.
Yes, my lord. My lord, since the processes have been filed, the court under the rules can take it as having been argued. For the defendants.
You are aware that the defendant has filed a housekeeping application to regularize a reply address on point of law. Are you aware?
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord, I've been served.
So, do you have objection to the application?
I don't have any objections, my lord.
Given the circumstance, the defendant's housekeeping application is deemed to have been moved and is accordingly granted as prayed.
As God pleases. My lord, we are grateful. Yes, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Hey, Magana, go ahead and talk.
Now, the defendant's final written address and reply address from point of law, having been duly filed and served, are deemed to have been adopted pursuant to Order 45, Rule 7 of the extant rules of this court. The claimant counsel may proceed to adopt the claimant's final written address. Yes, Mr.
Please.
Yes.
Hello, the claimant's final written address is dated 21st January 2023 and filed on the same date.
Dated what date?
1st January 2023, my lord.
Yes.
And filed on the same date, my lord.
Okay. Yes.
My lord, would the claimants adopt the argument contained therein?
Yes.
As a final argument in this matter.
Okay.
And urge your lordship to enter judgment for the plaintiffs, for the claimants, as per their claims.
Okay.
That's all, my lord.
Okay.
Hello, good morning, my lord. Hello, my lord. Good morning, my lord.
This case is hereby reserved for judgment on a date to be communicated to the parties.
As court pleases.
That is all for the cases today.
Sorry,
because
my
you're
lord.
right.
As court pleases.
Hello, my lord. Hello. Afternoon. Good morning, my lord.
As the court pleases.